Hello, I'm Sudhir Hasrang and this is my coursework project for the module C Sharp Warehouse Management System. This system is built using C Sharp, Windows Forms, and SQL Server as the database. The main goal is to help warehouse administrators efficiently manage inventory, employees, and customers all within a single interface. Now let's take a look at how the system works. This is the login page where registered users can securely log in to access the system. It validates the username and password against the warehouse DB database. I can enter the username and password to log in, but if I enter wrong username or password, it shows an error message like this. When I enter the correct credential and click login, the system opens the dashboard with my name and role displayed at the top. This is the dashboard, the main control panel of the system. First, the dashboard shows the logged user's name and a welcome message. As you can see, I've added three colored cards that show real time statistics, total inventory items, total employees, and total customers. Each card automatically updates fetching counts directly from the database. If I click a card, it opens the respective management form. For example, clicking the inventory card takes me to the inventory management screen. I can either use the cards or the menu at the top to go to the respective forms. Also, by clicking on the profile, I can log out. Now, now let's look at the inventory management form. Here, the user can add and edit, delete, or view inventory records. Each record includes details such as item name, description, quantity, and unit price. Once clicked on the edit item button, it shows a form to fill the details, and then by simple clicking save an item can be added. Let's add one sample item. For the other two categories of employees and customers, the same pattern has been used. Let's add a new customer too. In the backend, the data access CS file is the core database connector. It provides three main methods: executive query for retrieving data, executive non-query for insert updates and deletes, and executive scalar for fetching single values like counts. These methods use parameterized SQL commands and automatically manage connection, open and close operations. This approach reduces code duplication and keeps the structure clean and consistent throughout all forms. Overall, the app architecture follows a simple three-layered structure: forms for the user interface, service for business logic, and data access for based communication. Now look at the login form CS code. I've used parameterized SQL queries to prevent SQL injections and improve security. Once login is successful, the program passes the user's full name and role to the dashboard form constructor. This is the dashboard code file. I used a helper method called create a card to dynamically build these UI panels with labels and icons. Another method load data executive SQL count queries to refresh each card. This gives the users quick dynamic overview of the warehouse status. This is the inventory management form code. When the Add Item button is clicked, an insert query runs through the inventory service class, and the data grid view updates instantly to show the new entry. I used ADO.NET with SQL connection, SQL command, and SQL data adapter classes for database operation. This same pattern is used across the employee from and customer form, where CRUD operations are handled by employee service and customer service class respectively. By separating the logic into these service classes, I followed orient programming principles like encapsulations and modularity, making the project easier to maintain and extend. Those are the main part of this project. To conclude, the warehouse app provides a user-friendly and efficient way to manage warehouse operation, offering clear dashboard, easy data entry, and automated updates. It built entirely with C Sharp, Windows Form, OOP principles, and SQL Server integration. In future improvements, I plan to add report generation, role-based permissions, and data visualization charts. Thank you.